Good morning, YouTube. I'm on my way to the gym. I have not been in the gym in about 2 weeks. This is like the longest. Well, no, okay, not the longest. Because sometimes when I'm traveling, I don't go to the gym. But when I'm traveling, I always work out. Like I'm either swimming, I'll jog the beach, and I'm rambling. But good morning. I am on my way back to the gym. And I really miss the gym. Looking good and feeling good this morning. So come with me on the workouts. I don't know, should I bring YouTube with me? You guys want to come with me to the gym? Should I bring you guys with me to the gym? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Okay, since you're begging, I'll let you come. Let's go. Got my Connecticut sweater I'm gonna bring with me to the gym today. Yeah, period. Because if you did not know, I am from Connecticut. Shout out to everybody in Connecticut. I'm a Connecticut girl. I definitely love Connecticut. Like I like to tell people I'm from Connecticut because I'm very, very proud of Connecticut. A lot of people do not even know where Connecticut is. I always get people like, where's that? Or they'll say, oh, that's next to New York. Or that's what I usually get. People are like, you're from New York? I'm like, no, I'm from Connecticut. I'm a Connecticut girl. I am really, really proud of being from Connecticut. I like to blame Connecticut for my diversity. I grew up around a lot of different cultures, and I think also the education system in Connecticut is absolutely amazing. Being from Connecticut, and then the way I travel the world a lot. And then now I live in Georgia, I live in Atlanta, and I meet a lot of people. I talk to a lot of people. So I acknowledge the education system in Connecticut was very, very good. And I am very thankful. Water. To finish this for breakfast because why not? I got this from Walmart. I ordered it online. Oh, this is really long. I like that. I recently got introduced to tea tree oil and I never realized how much I like the smell. So I got this diffuser because I want to put a little tea tree oil in it. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna go. I gotta go and hang this shelf up. But if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know and I can do more of these daily videos for you. I gotta add another rack to my shelf. You know what? I'll add that part to the video. But still, you guys, let me know if you enjoy this little daily video and maybe I can do more of these daily videos. Maybe I could do a weekly spending morning with me or something. Give me some ideas. Let me know what type of videos you want to see more of. But yeah, okay, you know, I'll add in a clip of me hanging up this rack for you guys. Okay.
So